say instant, fast, free. Please select the amount of RAM you would like to download. One cannot simply download too much RAM. It's funny. What are these? What are these numbers? Need a t-shirt. What is this site, you ask? Download more RAM.
100 download more RAM.
Where's the ability to download? And they put a
downloadmoreram.com.
yeah, they put it
2020, all the rights, all the RAM.
This amount you need to download. Your speed will be improved instantly. Amazing. And they have a little
yeah, I like the
apostrophe after download. What do you say?
I really like the copyright.
It's just a joke. Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna click on. I want 32 gigabytes of RAM.
Copyright 20.